Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, I show you how to make this quick and easy CNY fish hanging decoration with red packets. This is truly a super quick way to decorate your space within 2 minutes. You need 3 red packets, glue stick, googly eyes, red elastic ribbon and stapler. First, make your fish. Make a square shape by making a triangle and cutting off the flat portion like so. Did you know that fish symbolizes abundance and is a sign of prosperity? In Chinese, the word fish and the word abundance has the same pronunciation but with a different tone. Second, to make the shape of the fish body, cut diagonally at a very slight angle like so. Third, cut a small slit from the other corner. You will have an excess. Remove it. Open it up like so. Third, cut a straight line right in the middle along the fold that you have just made. You want to stop until the diagonal line of the fish line, right here. Then stick the googly eyes with glue. Here I use googly eyes with long eyelashes. Next, go ahead and make another fish. 年年有余 is a Chinese idiom which means may you always have abundance in your life year after year. Here I'm just gluing back the flat portion that came out. Now, once you have made both your fish, cut your red elastic ribbon to your desired length. Since the hanging decoration is very light, go ahead and secure your ribbon onto the fish's interior body with a tape like so. Now go ahead and take both the right side of the fish's tail, place it on top of the left side's bottom fish tail. While you are doing that, gently push it slightly inwards to give the body of the fish some shape. Layer the left side's top fish tail over the bottom fish tail like so. Adjust the shape and secure it in place with a staple. Next, take the second fish and secure it in place onto the elastic ribbon to give it a fish flowing effect, like so. Go ahead and form the shape of the fish's body the same way you just did earlier. If you've made it this far, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. I am on my way to 3,000 subscribers and 1 million views. It will mean a lot to me if you can do that. Thank you so much. At this step, you have completed the fish hanging portion. How easy and beautiful it is turning out. Now take the third packet and secure it onto your ribbon with a staple. Make a loop so you can hang your decoration like so. Voila! Here is your quick and easy CNY fish hanging decoration with red packets. This is truly a super quick way to decorate your space within 2 minutes. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please kindly give this video a like, leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to watch my video on how to make easy CNY DIY decoration under $5. You'll be glad that you did. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until then, I will see you in my next one. Bye. Take care.